We're back with you here at the Philoil Flying V Arena in San Juan. The score is 8-7. It is De La Salle ahead after being down 7-5. They scored 3 straight points to take the lead. Boom Gonzalez, Mosey Ravena, Jazz Reyes, Bea Coronel. Second game, Sunday doubleheader. Glad to have you with us today here on Studio 23.
Point there for De La Salle on the serve. Reyes scoring 1 from the service line.
Ika Irene Reyes, and as we said, from St. Scholastica College. They open up now. Pineda off the block. A little more power on that swing.
These are the little things that they should adjust to. Yung using the blockers of the LSU instead of fighting it off, diba? When you're on the open hit.
La Salle had a perfect record last year, which was taken away, in a sense, technically.
Yep.
With what happened last year about...
on the break. Diba? Break yun eh, Christmas break.
Yes. Eligibility of players. I have to correct my earlier statement. I think Adamson was went up against UST in the semifinals last year, and it was Ateneo and La Salle who faced each other in the Final Four.
This time it's Guevara on the quick hit.
Through the block.
Anthony Marukis to look out for
Ang maganda naman, minsan Mosey pag rookie ka eh, wala ka rin pakialam eh.
Totoo rin
diba?
yan.
Wala pakialam kung sino kaharap mo eh. Hindi mo naman masyado, well, I'm sure kilala nila sila, Maranyo and all that, but this is your
their
first
game, diba? Yung parang you don't really think about their game so much.
Correct.
You think about yours.
Yes. Walang intimidation factor pa dahil nakakapampakialam, gusto mo lang, you do well.
That's right. And yung wala ka masyado iniisip, it's also an advantage if you're a player. Sometimes if you think too much,
the overthink situation. So.
Pag-iisip pa.
Oh! A rare service error. Chuck Cruz to give a free point to Adamson University.
Well, this is a close one in the second set.
Ang tanong dito, sa dulo. Tagonon. Sorry, this is Guevara serving. Esperanza to the rookie Galang. And Soriano was there to shut the door.
Galang on that open hit, but more of a textbook open hit. That's why it was easy to read for Pao Soriano.
The Falcons up by 2 points.
Not much power also.
Running, attack, net block. 4 touches.
Actually, a very difficult second ball for Esperanza to set for a running hit.
Let's listen to La Salle.
Diba? Ito naman, puro palo lang gusto ko tulin. Tingnan nyo mabuti eh. Hindi po pwede. Awkward na tayo eh. Hindi tayo makareceive eh. Diba? Patayin mo muna yung receive. Tingnan nyo mabuti. Hindi ka. Hindi pas na paset lang na set. Tingnan mabuti. May dalawang striker mo eh. Diba? Kasi depensa tayo. Ay, yung kalaban nyo, nagdidepensa ng maayos. Dito tayo kayo. Nakikita nyo naman eh. Parang malakas sa palo eh. Diba? Huwag tayo magmadali sa ginagawa. Antayin, antayin.
13-10, pinakamalaking lamang ng Adamson sa first 2 sets natin dito. DLSU though winning the first set. First appearance for the defending champions this year together with Adamson to complete the cast over this opening weekend of the 74th season of the UAAP Women's Volleyball Tournament.
Well, you have to remember that even Esperanza is just on her second year.
Aling Lasalli pa yan, ano?
Yeah, and on her first year, she was already the first setter for the Coach Ramil De Jesus. So,
taking over from Martinez.
Yes. Kung iisipin mo, dapat nga in the process pa lang rin itong si
Tama.
Esperanza.
We've seen such great setters in the, let's say, the last 6 years here in
A
6,
lot.
7 yun.
Yes. Sa Rafika, yun.
Semana. Sila yung mga bagong batch na sila Ferrer. Now, Martinez from LaSalle, who just came up short in her last year as they were beaten by UST. But yun din, biyaya rin para kay Esperanza. First year, championship kagad. And she's on deck to serve. 12 serving 13. Wide.
And another error on the serve from Esperanza. This time going wide.
Can Adamson
Sheila Perez.
hold off
Serving for Adamson.
this LaSalle squad? Got a long ways to go here in the second. Going, taking it. Oh, great off speed. Great coverage, though. Pau putting a little extra. But taken easily by LaSalle. Free ball for Adamson. And they go to Soriano, who puts it away.
That's right. Pau Soriano nailing that middle hit. Take a look at that differential.
Again, if you see how she approached, she was going left and then turned her body right. And may konting angulo sa kamay for that quick hit.
To disguise the play.
Yes, wonderful. Wonderful. Yung intricacies
Galing,
of volleyball.
And it has to be well timed.
Yes.
Kasi like yun, it was a differential set.
Yes.
Hindi masyadong mataas yun, like an open hit.
Yes.
So you just have so much time to get to the ball.
Yun yung kaya natin kinikwento to para dun sa mga nagsisimulang manood pa lang ng volleyball. Ano, they can appreciate certain skills of these players. It takes a lot of thinking also. There's a lot of thinking. And you play this game. 16-13, Adamson po ang unang nakapatong sa technical time.